had this question about ungratefulness.
Mm-hmm.
So Rabbi has touched on this issue of ungratefulness several different occasions lately amongst the different Shiurim. And I was thinking, so considering ungratefulness is so important to be taken care of immediately, especially in Judaism, this is something that Hashem hates so much. I was wondering, on top of the punishment that a person would get for not making a blessing over food or over any type of enjoyment, would it also count as if the person was ungrateful to Hashem for not making a blessing?
I think so. Yes. I mean, Hashem gave you the food, and it's not only the food. If you think like very very deep into it, right? It's not only the food. It's you make it a simple blessing, but you blessing Hashem for what? That you woke up this morning and your body works and your eyes works and nose works and you were able to go to work and from work and you got to this apple, and in order for this apple to be produced, this farmer had to have the idea to plant this seed, right, and then grow, and so many people were involved in the process, and they right, all of this equipment, metal, to produce a metal, to this machinery, all these people who work, you have to spray from insects and stuff like that. So there's so much involved in producing this apple. You understand? So when we make a blessing and thanking Hashem, you're not taking for this apple. I mean, you're taking for this apple and all of the efforts involved, and plus that I can enjoy, I can see this apple, and I can taste, and I can my hands work, I can hold in my hands. So there is a lot of things that we are thanking Hashem in one blessing. Right. So ungratefulness is one of them. Yeah, person takes things for granted. So yeah, of course, everybody wakes up in the morning. I'm only 19 years old. Of course, everybody. No, not always. There are many people in a hospital bed, right, in your age, and many people could not sleep the whole night because of some things. And I dealing with parents, so the kids are very grumpy. Why? I mean, teenagers. Why they cannot sleep at night? I don't know. Whatever they eat, I said we have to investigate what you give them. Maybe too much energy. They cannot fall asleep during the day. They want to sleep, and they cannot concentrate in school. And it's simple disaster. You understand? So you were able to sleep in the normal hours, and you get some rest. That's amazing. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.